got some amazing value canvas tote bags to show you. Stay tuned and we'll have a good look. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, I have an interesting one here. I have some canvas linen tote bags to show you. So I've just got my phone here. So a company called Zyren, I hope I'm saying that correctly, I'm probably not. I will link their website down below in the information box and the comment box, so you can give it a click and go and have a look. They have the most amazing canvas bags. Really affordable prices as well, which is even better. They also have an option to customize a bag as well, which I think is really good. So I've been sent over a few canvas bags to show you. I've opened it up and I thought, oh no, what am I doing? I wanted to open it on camera, but I haven't looked in yet, so I don't know what designs I've been sent or anything like that. So let's dive on in here. If you are interested in purchasing any of these linen bags for yourself, or you want to click that link in the information box and the comment box, just click it. Go and have a look at their designs that they have. They have over 2,000 designs. So I'm sure you're going to find a few designs that are going to suit you. I have been given a discount code. I'll pop it here. If you use that discount code on your purchase, if you buy 3 or more linen bags, it gets you 10% off, which is amazing. They're already cheap and affordable, and then you can get a bit more money off too. Great, absolutely great. Use it. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Right, so I have been sent 3 different bags to show you. So just to give you some information about the bags, again, sorry, just looking at my phone here, it just says they are environmentally friendly linen material, novel and beautiful designs, environmentally friendly ink printing and dyeing, no harm to health, foldable, practical and reusable. These are quick drying, so if you're out and about and it's raining, don't worry, they will dry quickly. Yeah, lightweight, eco-friendly and strong bearing. So basic, wow. So these hold a maximum load bearing weight of 25 kg. That's a lot of weight that these tote bags can hold. That's amazing. So let's have a look at the designs that I was sent and have a little touchy-feely of them. Oh guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. That is really pretty. Feels like your normal typical linen bag. We have some very strong handles here, which will, even when it gets heavy, it's going to be comfortable to hold. The length of them can be used for over the shoulder, which is fantastic. But I'm really loving the colours in that. It looks very rich. Let me move that handle. It looks very rich and gorgeous. Yeah, so this one is cat printed linen tote bag. 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Yeah, this is the first one. So if you like cats, or you know anybody who loves cats, this is absolutely great as a gift for yourself or for the person who loves cats, to carry around with them. It folds up very small, so just to show you, let's do this. But yeah, it folds up very small. That's definitely going to fit in my handbag and not take up too much room. But yeah, that is so cute. And I forgot to mention as well, the price for this is £3.01. Right, bag number 2. Oh guys, this is so cute as well. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So if you want something a little bit more plain, but you want a little bit of something, you don't want to go totally plain, yeah, and I love the colours in that as well. Very nice. So this one is, let's have a look. This one is Boy on a Tree printed linen tote. Again, it's 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters, and it's the same price as the first one, £3.01. Again, I mean, there's less print on this than the other one, and it feels the same, a nice linen bag. The same handles, which are going to be really, really comfortable. I really like it. I really, really like it. I know somebody who that would make a great gift for. I actually know somebody who the cat one would make a great gift for. I think she'd really, really appreciate it. But yeah, that's beautiful. Right, and bag number 3. And here it is. Oh, that's so nice. So obviously this time of year, Christmas, basically, I'm saying this time of year, a few months before Christmas, it's shoved in your face. You go in a shop, there's loads of decorations and stuff like that. If you want a bit of a more relaxed, more adulty Christmas, this is the bag for you. It's not the typical red and green and in your face. This is a lovely, beautiful bottom of a Christmas tree, and it just says on there, enjoy holidays. Nice and simple with just a little bit of something. It's really, really nice. So on the website, again, it's the same price, £3.01. This is called Christmas Letters Printed Linen Tote Bag. Same size, 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. So obviously, yes, this is a Christmas bag. It's Christmas, not long from now, in a few days, in fact. But this can be used, obviously, to the lead up to Christmas. I think I will actually use this when I pack my Christmas tree up at the end of the year with all my baubles and tinsel and stuff like that. I pack it into individual bags. I like things to be just so, and then I kind of just stick them in a carrier bag and pop them in my Christmas box. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop all my decorations in the little individual baggies like I do, and instead of popping them in a carrier bag, I'm going to pop them in here, and I'm going to keep my Christmas decorations in there. And then when I get my tree out next year, it'll free this bag up, and then I can use it for shopping. So yeah, it can be definitely well used. Again, exact same strong, sturdy handles. Lovely linen feeling to it. It's definitely going to carry some weight in there. It's absolutely fantastic. And like I mentioned before, guys, the other great thing is they have given me a discount code. I will pop it here at the bottom of the screen. So if you click the link in the information box or in the comments, go on over and buy a minimum of 3 of these bags and you'll get 10% off your order. They're already cheap and affordable, and yet they're giving you another 10% off on top of that. Absolutely fabulous. Such good quality. I'm definitely going to get use out of mine. But yeah, go and treat yourself. This definitely gets a massive thumbs up from me, and I'm not just saying that because these were gifted to me. I always look at an item, I always look at it and think, right, if I paid for that, would I be happy with it? And for the price of them, £3.01 per bag, it's an absolute bargain. And if you look after them nicely, it's going to last a lifetime. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.